Have you ever wondered how we might one day build houses on the moon? Well, China might have just taken a giant leap forward in answering that question. On November 27, 2025, something incredible returned to Earth aboard the Shenzhou 21 spacecraft, a set of experimental lunar soil bricks. These aren't just any bricks. They've spent a whole year orbiting our planet on China's space station, exposed to the brutal conditions of space, and the initial results are looking very promising. This experiment is a crucial part of China's ambitious plan to establish a presence on the moon. Think about it. Launching building materials all the way from Earth is incredibly expensive. A single kilogram can cost tens of thousands of dollars to send into space, so the only realistic way to build a lunar base is to use what is already there, the lunar soil, or regolith. That's exactly what scientists at Huazhong University of Science and Technology are trying to figure out how to do. They created these special bricks using materials that perfectly mimic the dust and rock found on the lunar surface. Each block weighs about 100 grams. To make them super strong, they used advanced techniques like hot pressing and microwave sintering. The result? Bricks that are roughly 3 times stronger than the ones we use on Earth, designed to withstand the extreme temperatures and environment of space. When the samples returned, the science team was thrilled. Zhou Yan, an associate professor on the project, said that when they opened the container, the samples were in great condition. There were no dents or holes from tiny meteorite impacts, which was a big relief. One interesting change they did notice was that the bricks looked a little lighter in color. They'll need to do more tests to understand why that happened. This wasn't just a simple send it up and see what happens experiment. The scientists were very clever in their design. Some of the 34 bricks were solid, while others were intentionally created with 45-degree seams. This was done to test their mechanical strength and see how these weak points would hold up after a year of space radiation and temperature swings. By comparing them to a control group of bricks that stayed here on Earth, they can pinpoint exactly how the space environment affects the material. The goal here is long-term. This is just the first batch of samples. More are expected to return in the future. Professor Zhou explained that by comparing all these different samples, they hope to find a pattern. This will allow them to build a predictive model to see what these bricks might look like after 5, 10, or even 20 years on the moon. They can even use this data to forecast how the bricks will behave in the actual lunar environment without even going there. This tiny brick experiment is a massive step for China's space ambitions. Their official goal is to land astronauts on the moon by 2030 and have a basic lunar research station built by 2035, using local resources, or what engineers call in-situ resource utilization, is the key to making this dream a reality. These small, sturdy bricks could very well be the foundation for humanity's future homes beyond Earth. What do you think? Could we be seeing the first lunar village built with bricks like these in our lifetime? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you're as excited about the future of space exploration as I am, make sure to subscribe for more updates.